Hi, today we'll be working on lesson 13 for first graders. Alright, so for the first page, it's using the code below to solve the riddle using sum and differences. So the riddle is, they are sometimes called kings. At the circus, they jump through rings. So this is the code, and we have to find out what the answer is. So for number 1, all we gotta do is solve it. So first, it's 8 plus 2, which is 10. And then we do 10 minus 8, which is 2. And then we do 2 plus 7, which is 9. So the answer for number 1 is 9. So we look at 9. And the letter for 9 is L. So we put L down here. And we do the same for everything else. So for number 2, 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 7 plus 5 is 12. So we got to find the number 12. And for 12, it's the letter I. So far it's L-I. Okay, number 3. It's 3 plus 8, which is 11. 11 minus 6, which is 5. And then 5 minus 5 gives us 0. So for the code for 0 is the letter O. Okay, so number 4. It's 2 plus 6, which is 8. 8 plus 3, which is 11. And then 11 minus 4, which is 7. So again, the letter for 7 is L. Okay, number 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. And then 12 minus 8 is 4. So 4 is S. So the answer looks like it's Leos. So the answer to the riddle is that. Okay, and then now we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so now it's writing number sentences about the pictures. So there's 4 blocks in the first part. And then we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we add 9 blocks, and 9 plus 4 gives us 13. Okay, number 2. There's 6 in the beginning, and then we add 7 more. So 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, number 3. So there's 7 moons in the beginning, and then 7 moons after. And then 7 plus 7 gives us 14. Number 4, there's 8 hearts plus 5 hearts, which gives us 13 hearts in total. Okay, we'll skip number 5, we'll move on to 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stars. So 9 stars plus another 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, next one is reading and solving a word problem. So it says Barry saw 16 ladybugs. So we write 16 over here, because that's how many ladybugs he saw in total, or at first. And then he saw that 8 ladybugs flew away. So you write 8 here, and flew away means they left. So we subtract. So it's 16 minus 8, and 16 minus 8 gives us 8 ladybugs were left. Okay, number 2. It says Maggie saw 13 tulips at school. So you write 13, and then she saw 11 more tulips. So 11 more means we have to add 11. So 13 plus 11 gives us 24 tulips. So she saw 24 tulips in total. Okay, number 3. It says Haley had 23 more plants. So if you write 23, and then she says she bought 14 more. So again, the word more indicates a plus sign. So 13 or 23 plus 14, and we have to add it. So 23 plus 14 gives us 37 plants. So she has 37 plants in all. Okay, number 4. It says Luis saw 34 butterflies. So he saw 34 butterflies in the beginning, and he saw that 13 of the butterflies flew away. So flew away means subtract. So we have to do 13 minus 30, or 34 minus 13 this time. And 34 minus 13 is 21. So there were 21 butterflies left. Okay, the next one is also reading and or solving word problems. So it says number one, Addie collects old coins. She has 37 old nickels. So she has 37 old nickels and 43 old pennies. How many more pennies does she have? So since there's more pennies than nickels, we have to put the bigger number on top. So it's 43, and there's 37 nickels. So in order to find how many more pennies she has, we have to subtract. So 43 minus 37 is 6. Okay, number 3. Hannah collects buttons. She had 58 buttons in her collection, so we write 58. And then her aunt sent 18 more buttons. So 18 plus 58. That's what we need to do. And 18 plus 58 is 76. So she has 76 buttons altogether. Alright. Last problem. Juan and Maria collect wildflowers. Juan has 38 wildflowers in his collection, and Maria has 56 wildflowers. How many more wildflowers does Maria have? So we have to find how many Maria has more than Juan. So we put 56, which is the amount of wildflowers Maria has, minus the amount of wildflower Juan has, which is 38. So we have to do 56 minus 38, and 56 minus 38 gives us 18. And that'll be all for today's